Now you might be wondering what exactly you might be learning. Let me give this very simple example. The first, okay, now you might be wondering what exactly you might be learning. Let me give you a simple answer. The first thing you'll achieve is to understand the charts. Chart as in the markets. You're going to know the direction of the markets like never before. Secondly, I'll teach you to find entries for the right stock at the right time. So let me write it down what you're going to learn. You're going to learn to read charts. Okay. Second, I'm going to teach you to find entries at the right stock at the right time, because timing is all that matters in the stock market. If your timings, the entries are correct along with the market direction, then you are going to have, so as you can see over the entries, along with the proper knowledge and concepts that you learn from charts, entries are the most important part of trading or investing. Entries give you a good percentage of return without you being waiting for the stock to go up and wait for never-ending period of time. So now, after stocks, we are going to learn sectors in the next section. What are sectors? And then we will be going through different ways of how we can set up the stocks and the sectors in the charting platforms. Okay, sectors. So what you, okay, sectors. So what we mean by sectors. So here, as you can see, sectoral indices. So this particular data I have taken from NSE website. You can also go through it. Sectoral indices. So you can see Nifty Bank, Nifty Auto, FinServ, FMCG, IT, Media, Metal, Pharma, PSU Bank, Private Bank, Realty. So all these are the sectors that are available in the market, and all these sectors that you can see over this particular screen, there are around 14 to 16 sectors that are available right now in the market, and all the stocks that we have seen earlier. Let me show you the stocks over here. If you can see ABB Limited, ACC Limited, AUC, Abbott, and all these. So all these particular stocks belongs to different sectors in the market. Okay. So now we are clear what a sector is, what a stock is. So stocks are the entities in the market, but these particular stocks belongs to some sectors. For example, let me take example of Nifty IT. So Nifty IT is a sector, and we have different stocks available under Nifty IT. If I can say, under Nifty IT, there are institutions like TCS, Emphasis, the institutions like Infosys, L&T, lot many, okay, which are listed in the market, and these are the composite of this particular stock. Sorry, the sectors. Now coming to the charting platform and the setup. So now we know what are the stocks that are available in the market, what are the sectors that are available in the market. If you've seen in the NSE website, we have, for example, if you search for Nifty 200 stocks, they are the most liquid stocks. So if you look at them, you'll find most of them as a companies from different sectors that are available in the stock exchange. So knowing sectors and the stocks as part of your knowledge is important, but for stock selection, you need to have a proper watch list that should be integrated to your trading or your charting platform, so that after the market hours, in the post-market analysis or in the pre-markets, you can go through those particular stocks one by one to find entries, and you can plan your trades accordingly. So let me show you one example. So this is a TradingView website that you can see. So this is a charting platform that I use. So here, if you can see, we have a watch list option over here. Okay. So this particular watch list option that we have, we can import a list of stocks over here. We can create a new list, and it will be easy. For example, there's a watch list created for me for Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and many others. So with a single click, I can go through each of the stocks. So now, if you want to create a particular watch list for your trading, I recommend you to select all the Nifty 200 stocks. And if you've gotten very less time to trade in the markets, probably you can take the top 10 um, stocks that are available in the market. So let's say this is you can create. So okay, so this is a basic um, site. Okay, before that, let me log out and log into my premium account. So for creating watch list in TradingView, you should have at least a basic subscription plan that you need to subscribe to. So if I go to Google and select, okay, so this is a so in this website, as you can see over here, I'll create a watch list now. So I'll just click on create new list. Let's say Nifty 200. Okay. So now this particular list has been created. But if you can see, we do not have any symbols as in stocks that are added into the watch list. So how we can add is, we can just go ahead and add all the Nifty 200 stocks. Let's say ACC, TCS, and what's Tata Motors, for example. So if you can see over here, I have added 3 stocks in this particular list, but to add all the stocks, all the 200 stocks over here manually is cumbersome. So I'll show you how we can do that. So first you need to go and download the Nifty 200 stocks. Let's type Nifty 200 stocks and go to the NSE website. You can download this CSV file over here. And once you have downloaded this particular list of stocks, you will be able to see the company name, the industry, the symbol. So now what we have to do as a step 1 is to append NSE to the symbols, because that's how TradingView recognize a particular symbol in its platform. So we're going to append it. We're going to use this particular function, and we're going to append NSE to this particular symbol that is highlighted over here, and we are going to put a comma after that. So we're going to press enter, and now we have the ABB symbol added to NSE. And then we're going to do the same for all the 200 stocks over here, and we're going to copy it. We're going to go to the TradingView platform. We're going to click on add symbol. We're going to put enter, remove the last comma, and press enter. So once you press enter, you can see over here all the Nifty 200 stocks are being added with a single click. So why we have done that? It will be easy for us to track the stocks. Let's say we have gone through the ACC particular stock and we have analyzed, and instead of again typing a different stock, we can go through each and every stock over here and we can analyze them with a single click. So this is how you have to set up a trading or a charting platform. Let's say you do not have any TradingView premium account setup, and if you don't want to invest money on this particular charting platform, you can manually go ahead and create a list out of it in this platform, or you can go ahead and use different platforms like Fires, Kite. It will take some time, but yes, at least you don't have to take a premium membership or a basic paid plan in this particular platform. So now, okay, just a recap what we have done in this particular module so far. We have gone through the NSE website and we have seen what are the different stocks available in the exchange. We have also seen what are the sectors available and which stocks belongs to which sectors. You can go to the NSE website and download the CSV file, and you'll be able to see what are the sectors that are available. And at last, we went and set up a charting platform, and over there we imported a list of 200 nifty stocks that we can analyze daily. If you have time crunch, you can select 10 best stocks from each and every sector, and you can analyze them in the post market hours. So as an assignment, I'd like to request you to create a watch list of your own. Let's say you like FMCG, you may like FMCG stocks, or you may like oil and gas, you may like Nifty bank stocks. So any stocks that you like, you can go through them, you can add them to your watch list. But I suggest you to take a list of all the Nifty 200 stocks along with the sectors, and I want you to create a list of sectors and include all the stocks that are available under a sector and create a different watch list. So you will be having around 16 to 17 list items that you'll be able to see after creating all those. It will take some time, but if you create it, it's a one-time effort. So you can do it and you can go through each and every sectors in the watch list. So for Nifty Bank, there are around 7 to 9 stocks under Nifty Bank. You can create a list called Nifty Bank and you can include all those stocks. Similarly, for Auto, FinServ, FMCG, IT, Media. So at least you'll get to know what are the stocks available under those particular sectors. Because ultimately, we are going to trade on these particular stocks or indices. So you need to be very clear of which particular stock belongs to which sector.